Ooh, a delivery from the AtomicGiftShop.com. Vintage decals, original designs, and more from the dawn of the space age. Hey, thank you, Dana. Right, let's have a look what we've got. I've got a big old note. Hey, yay. Okay, that's lovely. So what have I got? I've got some bonus bits. Hey, I've been looking at some of these badges jealously. So, oh look, there's the little robot I built. So it's nice to have some things. Oh wow. All right, I recognise that guy. I watched the stream where he did that, I think. Yeti style decal. That's cool as well. Thank you, Dana. Little saucer 3D printed resin model kit includes alien. Yeah, the delivery and postage on this was a pain, but it's not Dana's fault. That's just how it is for transatlantic deliveries at the moment. But I'm looking forward to putting some lights in this. Although it does look a lot smaller in life than it did on the streams where I've seen Dana working on it. So I'm hoping that I can use some tech to get some decent lighting in it, as opposed to just a simple lighting. I like this. This is exciting. And I know what's in it, but it's definitely exciting to see this. Oh, that's good. There's lenses for the lights. I didn't know he'd done that. I watched some of this on the stream and I've messed that up, haven't I? Oh. Oh, thank you. Some extra bits. And a beautiful little aerial. That's lovely. I like the feel of this resin. Okay, so there's the UFO, and I've basically got to have enough room to play with this. But I think actually the size is pretty decent. This resin is lovely. What is this, mate? Doesn't feel resin printed at all. I like this. I must get hold of some of this. Yeah, it is 3D printed, I think. This is lovely quality. It feels like ABS. I mean, maybe it is ABS like resin, which you can get. I have tried to use some, but it's not very good what I've been using. All right, so yeah, so this is the little UFO kit. Just a little box opening, and the little UFO guy lives in there. A UFO guy. I mean, the alien lives in there, and I'm going to put some LEDs around there and see what I can do to make them interesting. So thanks for that, Dana. I'm going to leave this now. If you want to see what I do with this, how I electronify it, maybe even how I paint it, please subscribe. If you want to see a really good paint job of this, go and watch this video from Andy Mecha, where it's really lovely how he does it. And if you want to see how I do things to it, please subscribe. So if you enjoyed this, if you're interested in this, please leave a thumbs up. Bye.